Now we will unbox the TFN F7 series optical time domain reflectometer. Open the box. The main unit and all accessories are in a portable handbag. Open the handbag, which contains product test report and a product certificate. Product quick start guide, including product introduction, features, interface introduction, and detailed introduction of each function. The box contains an F7 power adapter. Please do not mix with other power adapters. ST connector, SC connector, SC connector, line sequence function test remote, 4G capacity USB flash drive used for test data import and export. Finally, the main character, F7 main unit. The unboxing display of the TFN F7 series optical time domain reflectometer is completed. Thank you for choosing TFN.